Are these pigments nickel-free? You can find all of the ingredients on our MSDS on the Pigment product page. The link is in the description box. Can I mix these pigments? We do not recommend that you mix these pigments with other brands of permanent makeup inks, but you can mix these pigments with each other, but we do not recommend mixing more than 3 of the pigments together. How much will these pigments fade once they are healed? These pigments will only fade about 10% once they're healed. I'm having trouble with the pigment staying in the skin. For more information on technique with this pigment, please see our video on the pigment drop, which is linked in the description box below. I'm finding that these pigments are too dark for my clients. Blonde is the lightest color in this set, and you should not need a lighter color than that, as it will not show up in the skin. Do these pigments heal warm or cool in the skin? All of these pigments will heal true to tone. Because all of these pigments were pre-modified with a warm undertone, it will avoid an ashy heal. What is the best color in this pigment line for redheads? Tina's choice for redheads from this pigment line is medium brown. These pigments dry very fast. How do I get it off of the skin at the end of the procedure? Tina uses a combination of green soap and water to remove the pigment from the skin at the end of her procedures.